Hi, it's Paul here. It's January 30th. Oh man, tomorrow is the last day of January already. We just started it. Well, let's see what's happening in the greater Las Vegas market here the past 2 days. Let's get these in proper order here. And looks like today we've actually had 12 new listings put on the market. A little condo, 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Pretty nice, clean little complex. Should have swept the floor before they took the pictures, but you know, that's the way it goes. Yeah, a little cluttered there. Probably renters. Interesting. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Well, that one's only 129. 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Let's see where it is. Washington and Tenaya. Okay. Right off the Summerlin Parkway. Oh, not too bad area. That's pretty nice, in fact. Okay, so that's the lowest priced. Let's go into highest priced here. We have Callaway Circle, $655. Nice curb appeal. Interesting carpet. Okay. It's like an 80s house. What if it has a pool? Yep. Pool and spa. Go backwards here, maybe find it. Ooh, quicker. No. There it is. Pool and spa. Quite a ways from the house. Ah, it's a large lot. Let's see what kind of a lot it is. 16,000 square foot lot. Okay. And it is off of Wigwam and Pebble. Right. Over in Green Valley. Okay. Nice area. Then on Tuesday, we've got a manufactured home out of the area. We're not going to count that one. Let's go into this one. This is the 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo. Okay. Clean. Ooh. Okay. Going on here. Kitchen appliances are still in place. That carpet's pretty bad though. Like all the carpet's pretty bad. If it's a bank-owned property, nice complex. Nope. Standard. Easy to show, not a flip or a short sale. Okay. Well, we'll just go with that. And it is Lake Mead in Hollywood. Okay, we're off Sunrise Manor there, Sunrise Mountain there. Okay. And let's see what the next one is here. Highest priced in the last 2 days. Wow. 168 properties again. Okay, 1.34 million. Nice outdoor living area. Okay. And pool and spa. is right on the edge of the area here. Okay. 1.34. Well, that sounds good. Well, that's it for today. Oh yeah, well, let's see what we got going on. We're here. Sold 208. Actual close dates. 129 yesterday. Wow, we had a lot of them closed yesterday. 58 closed yesterday. $69 to $750. Well, that's it. We still have 414 properties under contract. Okay, well, we'll talk to you tomorrow, and you have a wonderful day. Bye.